Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. Here was a bit, well, maybe not the tricky but interesting performance on the intraday charts yesterday, as well as on the euro currency that we have discussed, because the entry trading plan that we discussed yesterday, as on the euro currency as on the gold market, has done well. So market has started upward action, everything was really great, but unfortunately, or just fortunately anyway, it has not become the major continuation. So we've got the upward action, but we haven't got it right to the target. And the same on the euro currency. Those of you who are watching our videos, on euro currency we have the target around 112.30 area, and on euro currency we've got the same story. Upward action has happened, but it hasn't become the action right to the target. And in the current circumstances we need to decide what to do. First of all, on a daily chart recently we've got another grabber. Once again, you can't see it on a retail broker chart, but if you take a look at the COMEX futures, you could see it. It's right here. Mostly it has the same target as this one, major grabber that we're talking about. So this is just a question of time when the gold will challenge the top and complete the target that we have. So from that standpoint of view, at least until this grabber is valid, we have the bullish context. So we're considering only taking long position currently on the gold market and not watching for taking any shorts. On a lower time frame, based on recent performance, here's take a look how it interesting was. So just we talked about the grabber and we said that's, by the way, the minor butterfly. It actually has the same target, but it's well, smaller scale pattern on the fall time frame chart. And we said be prepared that the wing of the butterfly will be smaller, so market could start upward action right from this point. And take a look what really has happened. So indeed upward action starts, and we can't say that grabber has failed. Actually it has worked, because take a look with this minor spike, market had taken out of this top, which was the minimum target of the grabber. So other words speaking, market shows upward action starting from the point that we have chosen for taking long position, completed minimum target of the grabber, and then turns down, forming the reversal bar on the top. This combination increases chances that we could get some normal shape of the butterfly with the deepest ending of the starting point of the right wing, as we said. In most cases, right wing's starting point stands around 50%, 618 support levels of this upward action. And that's definitely the point that we need to keep an eye on. On a lower time frame, we have this type of the consolidation forming. That's our ABCD pattern that we discussed yesterday, this entry level that we also talked about. And market right now returns back to the same 25 or 30% support. That's the 618.2493, the level that theoretically might be achieved, and where theoretically its bottom of the right arm, right wing might be formed, but not for sure. It's also interesting to take a look at the divergence. It also has been completed with this minor spike that's taken out of these lows, and this is minimum target of the divergence. So what I would do in the current circumstances? Currently, yes, it's great to know about 24.93 level, that here we could get the entry opportunity. But at the same time, I would watch for performance here, because we have the grabber. This grabber is not failed, and until market stands above these lows, this minor grabber on the daily chart remains valid, which means that upward action theoretically could start right from here. Very soon we will get the personal consumption expenditures numbers, we will get the inflation in the European Union. This could make impact on the performance. And the first step that I would do is watching today for possible patterns around this area. So drop the time frame to the 15-minute chart. Actually the same story that we discussed just a few minutes ago on euro currency. Drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart and watch what will happen. If here, for instance, we'll get minor gap is triple to buy, I don't know, some butterflies or some bullish patterns will be formed around it, I think that they could be used for possible taking a long position. Besides, if you will get the minor pattern on the 15-minute chart, you could place significantly tighter stop. In this case, you should not, and you do not need to hide your stop below the wing of the butterfly or even below the butterfly invalidation point, which is right there. You could just stuck with the minor pattern. Knowing its invalidation point, this will be much cheaper, and you will get a chance to be involved in possible upward reversal. If you still consider this overall setup as it stands on the follow time frame chart with this butterfly that we have, in the current circumstances, you could consider possible splitting on your position. Most conservative approach, of course, is just do nothing and wait for a deeper retracement, watch for a 618 level, then thinking about position taking lower level. This is most conservative approach. But since market still hold chances for possible upward action right from this level as well, and here's some uncertainty about this area, whether we'll get it to the downside or not. Maybe once again the splitting of the position might be not really bad idea. Just take the 30% around 25 over 5 where the market stands right now, see what will happen. If we'll get deeper retracement, then you could add more to your position. On average, it will be a nice entry opportunity, nice entry level. So that's what we have currently on the gold market. Overall context remain bullish, but the point from which market could restart upward action now stands indefinite. So we do know a few options that exist where market could turn up theoretically, but market shows no clear signs confirming one or another level. So from that standpoint, we just discussed ways how we could act using different methods and analysis that we usually do in the current circumstances.